So day 203 of 365 days of art in nature has arrived. And this is today's art prompt. Delicate little flower that it is. Enjoy capturing simple details in nature. What can you see that is beautiful and simplistic? Draw it here and note down any observations. The branches of a bush against the sky look green. There was a bird, but it flew off before I could draw it. That's the little writing underneath that simple little drawing. So go out into nature, have a wander, look for the simple, look for the simplistic, look for the minimalistic. Have fun with that. Thanks for watching.